The SSV Works WP-MRB3 media controller delivers a strong combination of Bluetooth streaming, traditional radio, and wired input options that feels well thought out for real-world use in powersports and marine setups. Its compact, flush-mount design tucks neatly into a dash or panel and needs very little depth behind the face, which makes it easy to integrate cleanly into older vehicles or tight cabins. The built-in multi-channel amplifier has enough power on tap to drive multiple speakers with clear, punchy sound, so you do not have to add extra hardware just to hear your music over engine and wind noise. Weather sealing and rugged construction inspire confidence when you're dealing with rain, spray, dust, or extreme temperatures, making it a solid choice for side-by-sides, boats, and open Jeeps that live outdoors. The bright high-contrast display and simple button layout are easy to read and operate even in glare, fog, or at night, so you can adjust volume or change tracks without taking your eyes off the trail for long. Its wide compatibility with any 12-volt system, from modern utility terrain vehicles to classic cars, means you can upgrade a huge range of vehicles with a single consistent media controller solution.